YouTube. Welcome back to Myers Two-Stroke RC Garage. And today guys, we got the 71 Supreme back out on the ground. This is going to be the first rip since I rebuilt it after the runaway. So I got the kill switch installed, and for the life of me, last video when I was doing my heat cycle on it, I forgot to even test it out. So we're going to be testing it out today and see what it's all about and see how it works. So let me get you guys strapped up on my head, and let me get this baby fired up, and we'll go from there. All right, first thing I'm going to do is check the kill switch. Yep, it works. All right. Okay. 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 There, we had it just a little too rich. Ah, come on. All right, guys. Woo, guys, that was an impressive first rip. It needs a little bit of work on the tuning. I know where I need to go with the needles. The reason I'm not doing it here is because I can't see around all that cage and the pipe and stuff and all that stuff. So this thing's kind of a pain in the butt to tune with the cage on it. Because you got to get into there, and it's like I almost need to drill some holes in here so I can get that screwdriver through this cage. That's probably what I'll do when I get back up to the shop. That way I can tune it on the fly. The high side is no problem to tune. It's just a T-handle. But that low side needs work. That's why that transition, there's a hesitation on that transition. I was able to work it out by richening the high side yesterday, but I'm pretty sure that low side needs richen. So anyways, guys, we had a great first rip with it. Yeah, I don't know, it impressed me. I built this engine. Well, first of all, I destroyed it because I had a runaway, and I didn't have a kill switch on it, and my throttle servo stuck halfway open, and it ran away on me and flipped over, revved up to the moon, and I bet it was singing 28,000 RPMs. It stretched the rod, the piston kissed the head, it squished the ring in between the piston and ring and the ring land, and so that's why I had no compression anymore. But I rebuilt this baby, and she's back up running top notch. I got to get some holes done in the body over there so I can get my tuning screwdriver in through there. Other than that, guys, she rips good, man. I'm liking it. And don't forget, you know what I always say, if you like the video, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, like, share, all that stuff. And don't forget, we will see you in the next one.